profit is the daily sales minus the daily expenses. Now the profit has to be at least 3,150 and at most 3,600. That means the profit has to be greater than 3,150 and it has to be less than or equal to 3,600, which means that S of x minus E of x has to be at least 3,150 and less than 3,600. Also, we know that the daily sales is 6x and the daily expenses is 810 plus 1.5x, which means that this has to be greater than or equal to 3,150 and it has to be less than or equal to 3,600. Now solving for x, we need to subtract 810 on both sides. So 3,150, sorry, this is not 810 plus 1.5x, it's 6x minus 810 plus 1.5x. So 3,150 and then we'll get 6x minus 810 minus 1.5x, which is 4.5x minus 810 and is less than or equal to 3,600. Now we need to add 810 on both sides and we'll get 3,960 and this has to be greater than or equal to 3,960 and it has to be less than or equal to 4,410. Solving for x, we need to divide by 4.5 on both sides and x has to be greater than or equal to 880 and it has to be less than or equal to 980. Therefore, x has to be greater than 880 and less than 980, which is option C.